Sabrina Ionescu's signature sneaker line continues to grow as one of Nike basketball's most important performance franchises. After the massive success of the Sabrina 2, the Nike Sabrina 3 fully takes over and keeps building momentum through new colorways and headline moments. One of the biggest highlights is Stephen Curry wearing the Sabrina 3 in a game, marking the first Nike shoe he played in after his Under Armour era. The Nike Sabrina 3 Pink Oxford features a clean, monochrome-inspired look with pink Oxford and red Stardust covering most of the upper. A mint green Sabrina logo on the tongue adds contrast, echoed by matching details on the outsole. Coconut milk swooshes soften the overall design, while a light speckling on the heel adds texture. The Sabrina line resonates with all hoopers. The pair releases in Europe December 22, with a US launch expected later globally.